Today we're going to be adding custom dynamic LED signals to my 2012 Road Glide. It's a non-CAN bus system, so it's going to require a load stabilizer. In the first step, you want to remove the lens. Use a flat screwdriver with a towel so that we don't mark the lens. Once the lens is off, simply rotate counterclockwise and remove the bulb. Be sure to clean the housing well so that the socket has no debris. Take the new LED bulb and place it inside the socket. Pay special attention to the nub as it only goes in one way. Turn it clockwise until it clicks. Using a circular twisting motion helps seat the wires inside of the directional housing. The process for the next light is the same as the first light. I've included a couple different angles, different shots, so you can look at it better. The procedure for both front signals are the same as the rears. Since the bike we're installing this on is a 2012, it is not a CAN bus system, therefore it requires a load stabilizer. We've removed the clutch side cover. There you'll have to locate your wire harness for your real taillight. Mine was marked with a white tab. The wiring harness is connected to the bike with a plastic tab. You'll have to jiggle it to remove it. Once removed, take the harness, push in, and then pull apart. Next, take the signal stabilizer and connect it to the connectors. It can only go in one way. The signal stabilizer now needs to be calibrated. To do that, run the right turn signal 2 times, left turn signal 2 times, and right turn signal 10 times. Once the signal stabilizer is calibrated, go ahead and tuck all your wires back in. You may use a few zip ties. Just make sure the wire is free of the rear tire. Then you may go ahead and put your side cover back on. This completes the installation.